Okay, so thanks for joining FiberQA. We want to show you some demonstrations of our FastMT 200. So this is the FastMT 200. We also offer 400X as well as 80X for lensed prism connectors. We're going to start off with an MPO 48 fiber connector. So the first thing I'd like to show you with the FastMT 200, one of the great features that it has is that you can see the full ferrule in live view. So you can pop in the part and you can see that you have some contamination right here on the screen that I may want to go ahead and clean. So I may not want to waste the time to start the process. I can see it in live view that the part needs to be cleaned, so then I can take the part out and clean it. So let me just call your attention to some of the buttons across the top. We have a fixture login. Had we changed the fixture, we could change that login right here. We have an exposure panel. This is the full ferrule view. You have live, and then we have process over here. We do not need to align. This is already in alignment. I'm going to go ahead and click process, and we can see how fast this goes. This is for reporting. So I'm going to go ahead and just click serial 1. This is also, you can determine how you want to record the part information. Okay, the fiber's coming into process right now. All right, so it's all done. All 48 fibers are processed. And the timing was pretty good. It was 30 seconds to process 48 fibers. So what I did was I clicked on one of the fibers. So I can choose this fiber and double click on it. What's a nice feature is you have this little ferrule map here, so you can toggle from fiber to fiber without going back to that main screen every time. You can take a look at the image without the overlay. And we have the time here, all the rules in metrology. It's all completely archived. It's all completely reportable. So one nice feature I want to call attention to, if you single click on a particle or a scratch or any sort of defect, you'll get this nice little window that'll pop up. It'll give you the zone, the metrology, and it will also highlight the area up here that it corresponds with. So one of the buttons I want to call your attention to is this align and focus. So if at any point we change the fixture, we're going to want to do a one-time alignment. For production purposes, you don't need to align every time. If you're not changing the fixture, the parts should be very consistent, so you should not need to align and focus. But if you're in an R&D environment or if you're changing the fixture every time in some rare circumstance, you can just select this button. The green means it will align and focus every time. You don't want to use that button for a high throughput where speed is a factor. You should not need to use that. It will slow you down.